Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National English School, Morning Day Shift, Bonasi, Dhaka. Today I am about to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior on. Our today's topic is I.G.K, Islamic General Knowledge from 5 to 8 discussion. Today's lecture number 18. And I will give HW on the basis of today's lecture, which number will be 15 and term half yearly. Okay, dear students, let's come to the board and listen how I write down from 5 to 6 number I.G.K. Islamic General Knowledge I.G.K will be held from 5 to 8. Okay, dear students, number 5, question number 5. Question number 5. What is the name of our religion? What is the name of our religion? RELIGION. What is the name of our religion? Answer: Islam. Number 6. Question number 6. What is the meaning of Islam? What is the meaning of Islam? What is the meaning of Islam? Answer: peace. Peace. Number 7. Question number 7. What is the name of our holy book? What is the name of our holy book? HOLI, holy book. What is the name of our holy book? Answer: Al-Quran. Al-Quran. Al-Quran, L-Al-Q-U-R-N, Al-Quran. Number 8 and last on is, what is the language of Holy Quran? What is the language of Holy Quran? What is the language of Holy Quran? Answer: what is the language of Holy Quran? Answer: Arabic. 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 Okay, dear students, this is enough today's lecture. Now I want to repeat again. Islamic General Knowledge I.G.K 5 to 8. Question number 5. What is the name of our religion? Answer: Islam. ISLAM, Islam. What is the meaning of Islam? What is the meaning of Islam? Answer: peace. PEACE, peace. What is the meaning of Islam? Answer: peace. PEACE, peace. Question number 7. What is the name of our holy book? Answer: Al-Quran. ALLQURAN, Quran. What is the name of our holy book? Answer: Al-Quran. ALLQURAN, Al-Quran. Question number 8. What is the language of Holy Quran? Answer: Arabic. ARABIC, Arabic. Okay, dear students, it's enough today's lecture. Now I want to give HW. Today's HW number 15. Today's HW number 15. And topic write the answer of write the answer of question number 5 to 8. Okay, dear students, you have to do HW from 5 to 8, from here to here. These 4 questions you have to write down as a HW. Okay, dear students, you have to do your HW very carefully and completely, and submit your HW on every Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm to the school campus. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood this topic clearly. Keep practicing at home, avoid by parents, stay well. See you again very soon inshallah with another topic. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.